आपको सीधे लिए चलेंगे रिम्स, जहां डॉक्टर्स डे के मौके पर स्वास्थ्य मंत्री बन्ना गुप्ता डॉक्टर्स को सम्मानित कर रहे हैं।
Now, I would request Dr. Ashok Kumar Sharma Sir to come up on the stage and take a token of appreciation from our Health Minister. Dr. Ashok Kumar Sharma Sir is currently Assistant Professor in Department of Microbiology. He is a member of Corona Task Force working along with Dr. Manoj Kumar Sir. He has helped and given tremendous work in Corona testing and helping the COVID-19 patients. Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to call upon stage Dr. Suman Kumari. She is the in charge of blood bank and from the Department of Blood Transfusion and she has done a commendable job in collection of blood and also helping out the COVID-19 patients and also other patients who are admitted currently in RIMS.
Next, on the stage, I'd like to call Dr. Archana Kumari, Associate Professor, Department of Obs and Gynae, RIMS Ranchi, has played the most pivotal role in making sure that in these tough times, quality health care is provided to mothers and women, irrespective of their COVID statuses. Such dedication inspires us to be the best version of ourselves. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to request Dr. Nishit Ekka Sir on the stage. He is Assistant Professor in Department of Surgery. He is working tirelessly performing emergency procedures in the current background of the COVID pandemic. He is an important member of the Corona Task Force. Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to call upon the stage Dr. Devesh Kumar Sir to accept the token of respect from our Honorable Chief Guest. Dr. Devesh Kumar Sir is Professor in Department of PSM. He has been our rock in COVID-19 outbreak and is treating the patients tirelessly and doing a fantastic job in reducing the slope of active patient graph. On behalf of him, Dr. Stephen Kesbos is taking the token of respect.
Next on the stage is Dr. Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Cardiology. He is an Associate Fellow of European Society of Cardiology. He is now recently elected as a member of Senate of the Ranchi University. He has performed more than 100 cardiac procedures that include about 30 angioplasties and performed corrective procedures even without waiting for any information on COVID status to save precious time of the patient. Thank you, sir. Next on the stage is Dr. Seema Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology. Her tireless dedication in ensuring swift testing has ensured that Jharkhand has remained one of the better performing states when it comes to COVID. Thank you, ma'am. Next on the stage is Dr. Chandrabhushan. He is one of the youngest doctors amongst them who have made a significant impact in the battle against Corona. His commitment in organizing blood camps ensured that there was no shortage of blood or blood products in RIMS Ranchi during these difficult times. Thank you.
Next, we would like to give the token of respect to Mrs. Rashmi Pingwa from Skolovia. Mrs. Rashmi Pingwa is working on fight against suicide among the students. She is a social activist continuously working for betterment of mental health among the adolescent and school-going population. Next, I would like our Director Ma'am to felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Banna Gupta, for his tremendous and incredible working during the COVID-19 outbreak in Ranchi and in Jharkhand. We have one of the best recovery rates and one of the least active case percent and the mortality rate below 1%. So ma'am, give him a huge round of applause, everyone.
Now, I'd like to welcome our Health Minister, Mr. Banna Gupta, on the mic and enlighten us with his words. Please, sir.
सबसे पहले मैं जूनियर डॉक्टरों को और उनकी पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि उन्होंने आज डॉक्टर डे के उपलक्ष्य में इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित किया है और उस कार्यक्रम में मुझे सम्मिलित होने का अवसर प्रदान किया है। इसके लिए मैं बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। मंच पे बैठी नारी सशक्तिकरण की प्रतीक, रिम्स की पहली महिला डायरेक्टर आदरणीय मंजू गाड़ी जी, रिम्स के अधीक्षक विवेक कश्यप साहब, समाज सेवी रश्मि पिंगवा जी, यहाँ उपस्थित सभी विभागाध्यक्ष, जूनियर डॉक्टर्स, आप सभी लोगों को आज डॉक्टर डे के उपलक्ष्य में मैं बहुत सारी शुभकामना और बधाई देता हूँ। विवेक कश्यप जी ने बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से आपको डॉक्टर डे क्यों मनाया जाता है और किस महान क्रांतिकारी, महान चिकित्सक विधान चंद्र रे की याद में हम इसका आयोजन करते हैं और जो महात्मा गांधी जी के परम अनुयायी रहे, जिन्होंने राजनीति और चिकित्सा दोनों के बीच में एक ऐसा अन्योन्याश्रय संबंध स्थापित किया जो बहुत अनूठा था और बहुत ही ईमानदारी की बहुत बड़ी मिसाल थे और हम सबों को एक आदर्श के रूप में उनको याद रखना है। जब वो मुख्यमंत्री थे, मुख्यमंत्री रहते हुए भी मुख्यमंत्री का एक दायित्व और एक चिकित्सक का परम मानव दायित्व को निर्वाह किया, क्योंकि कहा भी जाता है